Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable navbar on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on lock screen. Now from here, just tap on navbar. Now to enable navbar, just enable the functions you want to enable on the navbar. Just like that. Now if you tap on view more, you can see more functions. Now as you can see, there is the option to show media player, and also there is the option to show current mode. Now how does this work? Now for an example, if you set a stopwatch on your smartphone or if you set a timer, it will show on the navbar on your lock screen, just like that. And you can switch between the navbar functions by swiping up on the navbar, just like that. And also if you play a music on your smartphone, it will show on the navbar, just like that. As you can see, the controls of the media player are shown on the navbar, just like that. And this is how you can enable navbar on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.